Hi everyone, Maggie Nolan here with Living Rain Photography. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The boys are sleeping, Patrick's somewhere in the house, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna get a YouTube video done because these days life is nuts. We are shooting between 2 and 3 weddings every weekend. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. We are a Baltimore top 10 wedding photography husband-wife team. We shoot between 30 and 40 weddings a year, and this year in 2021 we have 54 weddings on calendar. It's crazy. I don't have a life. Hashtag exhausted, hashtag a little overwhelmed, but we're loving it. We are shooting beautiful couples, beautiful weddings, great timelines, 10-hour days, and we decided to invest into great gear going into 2021. After COVID hit last year here in Maryland and shut down the wedding industry here, we decided, you know what? We're moving all these people. Now is the time. Let's go ahead and invest in and upgrade our gear. So we upgraded to the R5 camera bodies. We absolutely love them. But then we also, earlier this year, went ahead and ordered the 28 to 70 millimeter RF lens. Now, guys, we've waited 5 flippin' months for this. It finally came. We're so glad it came. It was Christmas in July, literally, when we got the email from B&H that it had shipped. We were so excited, and it came just in time for a wedding, and Patrick said, do you want to go for it? Do you want to use it? And I said, absolutely, let's do it. I am going to tell you right now, I've seen other reviews for this. I love this lens. First and foremost, the fact that it goes to a 2.0 aperture is my favorite feature. We are light and airy wedding photographers. I shoot normally between the 1.8 and 3.2 aperture range. And so for me, the fact that this can go down to 2, I can still use this for bridal portraits. I can use it for getting ready, but man, I can also do a full, I can keep it at 28, back up, do family photos. And the best part about it is that it actually keeps the resolution and the clarity big time. So I'm going to show you this photo. I actually shot this Saturday. This is a reception first dance photo, and I'm going to show you, I can zoom in and you can see people's faces, and I am easily 50 to 60 yards from our couple shooting across a museum. So talk about the power of this lens. It's awesome. I absolutely love that I can still shoot manual. I know that sounds silly, but we discovered something called peaking this year. I think it's actually a film phrase, but when you turn the camera into manual, or the lens into manual, there's a setting within the R5, within your camera, that as you go to manually focus, it creates this really cool line. You can pick the color and you know what's in focus. So when I do eyelash shots or something really pretty like florals, I can throw it into manual, use peaking, and this lens is just a beast. It is, you guys, a lot heavier. Patrick jokingly said, I don't need to lift weights to get in shape this wedding season. I just need to lift this guy. He is very, very heavy. Thankfully, I use Holdfast Moneymaker camera systems to hold my gear, but it's still, clearly I'm trying to rotate, it's still a pretty hefty lens compared to the EF version of the 24 to 70. It does have a very, a bigger front lens. It does, so here's something, it is an internal zoom, so it goes out and in. Trying to think what else I love about it. This lens for family is amazing. I love doing pictures, bridal portraits with it, and family pictures with it. And if you know me and know our work, I tend to favor the 50 millimeter, the RF 50 millimeter. That's what I would used to call my power lens. Now this is pretty close. I'm competing, my 50 and my 28 to 70 are pretty, I use them pretty much consistently throughout the night and throughout the day. Trying to think what else I love about it. Other really cool feature about this is that it is so fast at focusing. It's crazy. It's actually crazy how fast it focuses. Which partnered with the R5 that now has eye detection. When someone's walking down an aisle or a kid's running into intros at reception, it is so quick at finding the focus. I feel like there's no excuse for missed pictures and missed moments, because it's quick, and if you put it down and need it real quick, it's laser sharp, it's razor sharp for focusing. this if you're thinking about buying it, and you if you really love the 24 to 70 that Canon has in the EF family, you're gonna love the RF. Obviously we use it alongside our R5s, and it's like a great little cute little boyfriend girlfriend relationship thing we got going on right here. These guys work so well together, and yeah, we love it. So hope that's helpful. Hope you liked that little review of the 28 to 70. Let me know if you have any questions. It's awesome. We love it. It's beautiful. And yeah, have a great week. We'll see you guys here soon.